Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix NTE Neverness to Everness game not launching or won't launch issue on PC. So here are the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart NTE Neverness to Everness launcher. So close the NTE launcher. Also click on this arrow icon, and if you see NTE launcher over here or the game running over here, then right click on it and then click on exit. And then go ahead, launch the Neverness to Everness game. Click yes to allow, and then click on play button and check if your problem is solved or not. If that doesn't fix the issue, then simply restart your PC. And after a PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. And then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files folder, open Neverness to Everness game folder. Select this NTE global launcher exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Open the NTE global folder, scroll down and add all this exe file one by one. So first select NTE global game, click open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Select this one, click open. Now this time select this one, NTE global update, click open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Now go back. This time open the client folder, Windows No Editor folder, open the HT folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this HT game exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, then click on allow another app and then click on browse, and then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files folder, open Neverness to Everness game folder, select NTE global launcher exe file and then click on open and then click on add. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, open the NTE global folder and then select one by one each of them and then add it. So first select this one, click open, click on add. Now it is already added in my case, so close it. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, select this NTE global launcher, click open and then click on add. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, scroll down, click on NTE global update, click open, click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, go back. This time open client folder, Windows No Editor folder, open HT folder, open binaries folder, Win64 folder, select HT game exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Here it is, and after adding it, make sure both private and public is tick mark and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESTT, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 3 is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. And if you see repair option, then click on repair. And if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Again click on repair option if you see repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to run the game from game installation folder. Run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open the Neverness to Everness launcher and then click on the settings icon. Go to the resource tab and click on open game directory. This will open the game installation folder. Now open the Windows No Editor folder, open HT folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and here look for the HT game exe file. Now first double click it to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself, and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then also check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop down, select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from drop down select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes, just uncheck all these three boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6 is to update graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to the Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver and then install the latest version. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here, then enter operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to repair the game file. So open the Neverness to Everness launcher. Click on the settings icon, go to the resources tab, and under the repair game, first click on clear cache, and then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then click on repair files, and after the repair of the files has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it, then click on add desktop app, and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files folder, open Neverness to Everness folder, open the client folder, Windows No Editor folder, ST folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this ST game and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select the high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to disable overlays. Disable Discord overlay. Now if you have installed Discord on your PC, then disable the Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So if you have any kind of overclocking software, then do not overclock it, just set it to default. Disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, disconnect multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, RivaTuner, HW Info, Razor Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 11 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after installing the update, just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to use DirectX 11. So open the Neverness to Everness launcher and then click on the settings. And in the general tab, scroll down. And here you will see game startup settings. Check mark this option, use DirectX 11 compatibility, and then click on confirm. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the game settings and then untick this, use DirectX 11 and then click on confirm, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall NTE Neverness to Everness game from your PC and then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve NTE Neverness to Everness game not launching or won't launch issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.